Hershey has only this particular plant that is in this part of the world, and this is the single largest investments they have put in because we really want to cater for the consumer demand. We work very closely with FM Global to make sure that this facility is highly protected and manage our risk against all the 5 elements.
Over the course of my career, I've had multiple clients experience debilitating fires, and they're game changers in a lot of ways. Not only impedes financial performance of a company as well as cripples production, it also has an impact on the employees themselves as well as the community those production plants support.
In the early stage of these projects, our Hershey risk management team is working hand in hand with FM Global personnel to identify the risks and also come up with the solutions.
Protecting a facility anywhere, that's one of the most important things you could possibly do, but protecting a facility where no water or infrastructure exists proves to be an even more difficult challenge.
We had ESFR sprinklers out in the storage area. We had to be concerned about dust explosions in the process tower. There was a roadway built to separate these buildings, which allowed them to get firefighting vehicles in between the buildings.
We also utilize the wealth of knowledge that FM Global has obtained from their research campus whenever we decide which types of products we're going to be using in our facility. Because that really does give us the confidence that we know how they're going to respond in the event of a fire or another type of incident. Resiliency is crucial to Hershey. Hershey has been a widely known company for over 125 years, and we have to deliver quality to our consumers. So being resilient is a very important part of that process.
We have this facility highly protected and also meeting our vision that is bringing joy and affordable snacks to everyone in the international markets.